Hello and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I talk tips and tricks on how to grow a healthy natural hair and how to maintain a healthy, glowy, beautiful skin. I also talk about tips and tricks on how to stay in health generally. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I personally use the Fenugreek Moringa and Neem leaf formulation that I made. If you've not watched that video, you might want to check on my last upload. You will see the step-by-step process that I took to formulate that hair mask. I tell you, I've been on that hair mask for quite a while, and I tell you, it's beautiful. It's easy to make, and of course, it's very, very potent to use on your natural hair. It prevents breakage, it prevents damage, it prevents a whole lot. It just leaves you with a strong, healthy, beautiful hair. You might want to check on that. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Share this video. You could be helping rescuing one or two persons from hair damage just by sharing this video. So you might want. So first thing is to spray water on your dry tangled hair. You want to spray water onto that hair thoroughly. Then the next thing is to coat the hair thoroughly with the mask. You want to coat and massage, but first of all, you can see in the video that I hair into 4 parts. You want to do it in parts. You don't just want to start applying on a hair that you've not parted. If not, it's going to give you a lot of trouble. You want to part your hair into 4, 3, as the case may be, whatever you're comfortable working on.